Hi, we are the Tech Geek. Today we are going to show you how to make your own stickers in Signal. Before we get started, if you like this video, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. The first step is to open up a web browser. In your search bar, type in signal.org. Scroll down and click Windows in the Download section. Click Download for Windows and the program will be downloaded. After the download, double-click the program for installation. Then the program will be launched and it will display a QR code. In your phone, download and launch the Signal app. Click the three dots at the top right corner. Click Settings and Linked Devices. Proceed to click the Add button at the bottom right corner. Scan the QR code shown in the computer and click Link Device. It will show Device Approved. On your computer, click the Finish Linking Phone button and the Signal app will launch. To create your own stickers, the image files must be in PNG or WebP format with a transparent background and a 512 to 512 pixels ratio. Click File, then select Create/Upload Sticker Pack. Drag and drop the image files to the Sticker Pack Creator window. Click Next. Add an emoji to each sticker, then click Next. Type in the sticker pack title and author. Click Next and click Upload to upload the stickers. Then click the Close button. In the Signal app, click the sticker icon and you can now send messages with your stickers. In your mobile, click the sticker icon and you can also send messages with your stickers in mobile. And that is the end of the video. We hope that this video helped you. If it did, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.